Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to learn new lesson. The name of our lesson is affirmative sentences and negative answers. Sorry, not sentences, affirmative and negative answers. Okay, affirmative means what? Positive answers, and negative means what? Negative answers. Affirmative means when you will give answer with yes, it is affirmative. When you give answer with no, then it is negative sentence or negative answer. Understood? Here some sentences are given. Look at the following sentences. Are you well? Question is asked to girl. Are you well? What she said? Yes, I am. When answer is coming with yes, then it is which? It is affirmative answer. Are you well? Now this girl is sleeping in the bed. Are you well? No, I am not. When no is used, then it is negative answer. Positive answer and negative answer. Is he standing? Boy is standing or not? Yes. Then what will you say? Yes, he is. Now, is he standing? Boy is standing or what here? No. So what is this? No, he is not. It is negative answer. S means affirmative answer and no means negative answers. Now here, answers that have S are called affirmative answers and answers that have no are called negative answers. Now here some questions are given. Answer the following questions with affirmative or negative answers. Is he happy? Now this boy is laughing or crying? He is crying. So what will be our first answer? Is he happy? No, he is not happy. What will be our answer? No. Our first answer will be what? No, he is not happy. Now second picture is given here. Are these birds flying? Birds उड़तात करे. Birds are flying or what? No. So what will be our answer? No, birds are not flying. No, birds are not flying. Third picture which is given here is she a doctor? Now she has wore a dress of doctor. Yes or no? Dress घातलेला आहे का नाही डॉक्टरचा? Then she is doctor or not? Yes. So what will be our answer? Is she a doctor? Yes, she is. She is a doctor. Fourth one, are you nurse? Now fourth one, is this girl a nurse or what? Is there any step which she is doing or any action she is doing which looks like a nurse? No, she looks like a dancer. So what will be our fourth answer? No. No, she is not. She is not a nurse. Okay. Fifth picture. Is this a rose? Is this a rose? It is rose or what? This picture which you can see here is rose flower? No, it is lotus. So what you will write down answer? No, it is not a rose. It is not a rose. Sixth one. Is the sun shining? Is the sun shining over here? Can you see sun shining? Yes, it is rising actually. Sun is rising. So when it rises, at that time only rays of the sun falls on the earth. So you can write down yes. Yes, the sun. Yes, the sun is shining. Yes, the sun is shining. Seventh, is it raining? From clouds, rainfall is going on or not? Yes, rain is falling over here. So what answer we can write down? Is it raining? Yes, of course. Yes, it is raining. Yes, it is raining. 8. Are the children asleep? They are studying here. Now do they feel asleep or what? Are they sleeping or what here? They feel they are studying. Correct or not? Picture is showing that they are studying. So are they asleep? Are the children asleep? No. No. No, the children are, or no, the children are not. Children are not asleep. Understood? In this way, no, negative answer, no, negative answer. Yes, affirmative answer, no, negative answer. No, negative answer. Correct? Yes, affirmative answer. Yes, affirmative answer. No, negative answer. Understood? Wherever we get answer with S, they are affirmative answers. Wherever we get answers no, they are negative answers. Understood? In this way we have completed lesson number 28, affirmative and negative answers. Tomorrow we are going to study lesson number 29, the prepositions. Okay, only 2 lessons are left, and then over our portion of exam will get over. Okay, thank you.